Today we're going to be talking about focus peaking on the Canon M50. What is focus peaking, you may ask? Well, in this video I'm going to tell you guys all about it and show you guys how to use it. Focus peaking is a tool that assists you when you're shooting in manual focus mode that will help you get the best focus possible when you're shooting photos or video using visual cues. So this is a great tool if you want to get a very specific focus point, or you want to be more custom in how you use your pull focusing, or if you're just like into macro photography and you want to get a very specific part of like a flower or something, I don't know. But essentially it helps you be more precise in where the camera focuses. So this is in a lot of different cameras, not just the M50, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it on the M50, whether you're shooting in video mode or taking photos. Alrighty, so to get to the focus peaking setting, you're just going to hit that menu button, and depending on whether or not you're going to be doing this in photo mode or video mode, it's going to determine which place to look. So if you're in video mode like I am right now, hit that menu button. It's going to be on that first one right there, and it's going to be on page 5. So right here at the end, manual focus peaking setting. So if you're going to be doing this in photo mode, so let's just go to photo mode real quick. So anyone will do. So we're in program, just hit that menu button again. It's going to be on the 7th page, if you notice right there. In this video we're just going to be doing it in movie recording mode. Right, so once you're here in the manual focus peaking settings, you're going to have 3 options here. The first one being whether it's on or off. The level, you can choose between high or low, and that just changes the intensity of the color that you choose. I usually leave it on high, and the color you want the outline to be. So the choices they have for their M50 are the red, blue, and yellow choices. So you can choose whichever one depending on what your scene looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna go with the red. I'm just gonna go back, and right now I have it in manual. If you hit left on top of the M50, you can choose between autofocus and manual focus. So in this case we want manual focus, and I'm just gonna record here so we have the actual footage. But notice how there is a red outline. I don't know if you can see that. There's a red outline right around the head and torso of the Gundam right there. And if I keep going, if you look in the background, you can see the background is a little bit red. And that red outline you're experiencing right now is basically where the camera is currently focused on. If you look at there, right now it's focused on the actual Gundam. And then if I change it a little bit, it's on top of its hand right there. But essentially this is how focus peaking works. So now let's just try with another color real quick. So right now it's yellow. Fairly difficult to see right there, but you can see that little tiny tint of yellow right around where it's focusing on. And if we go into blue, same result, but blue. Oh, this one's actually a lot harder to see here because the actual torso is blue and it doesn't really blend in well. And it blends in very well. So in this case, in my opinion, the red will work really well. And depending on what scene you're shooting, will determine what color you have to use. So bottom line, wherever you see that colored outline, that's where the focus is. So like I said earlier, if you're trying to focus on a really specific point and you want to be more precise in your focusing, especially when you're doing manual focus, the focus peaking will help you immensely because it puts that nice little outline around the thing that's in focus. So if this video helped you, make sure you drop a like. It really helps this channel, and subscribe for more videos just like this, all about the Canon M50. So if you want more tutorials or more info on the Canon M50, you can go to my playlist called Canon M50 User Guide. I'll probably have it in the card or link down below. It's just a whole playlist of all the videos I have on the Canon M50, so check it out if you're interested. With all that said, thank you for watching this video. It's Freely, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.